And this is fucking bullish for Ethereum. And guess what? Most people do not even realize that this is happening. Do I have some exciting news for you all? So, a little bit fundamentally and a little bit technically. Now, let's just get into it immediately fundamentally, because I want to talk about something that a lot of people actually already forgot, which is news about Link, Chainlink. Many of you forgot that 21 shares, I will later on explain who 21 shares is or what it is, but they bought around, or at this current stage at least, they hold around 10 million in Link, which equals around 693,639 Link, which is like more than 500,000 of Link coins tokens that they hold. 10 million, assets under management, which is just quite crazy. Year-to-date return, they are still in a loss, but I think that will just change quickly in the next coming months to be. But a lot of people forget how bullish this actually is for Link. And it kind of makes sense with the rest of the things that I'm saying, and it kind of makes sense why the prices remain so freaking fucking low at this point, and why they remain quote unquote almost super stable. Now, soon that might change up or down. At the point of recording this video, we are in Thailand at least. 6th of November, the elections are busy, a winner still has to be picked. So by the time this video is out, prices might have changed for sure, up or down. We don't really know, because the volatility of the elections could be big. Anyway, a lot of you guys, like I said, forgot how bullish this is, that an assets under management with a shit ton of capital is holding Link. They are holding Bitcoin ETFs as well. They are using Link as well, which is just super crazy. Here, integrates Chainlink proof to reserve the increased transparency of ALTCOINS shares Bitcoin ETF. They are using Link. They are literally using it. So I don't know what to say more about that. I think that's just overall pretty fucking clear. Now let's quickly talk about what ARK actually is. So ARK and 21 shares, known for innovation-focused ETFs, ARK Invest has an AUM of approximately 25 billion as of mid-2024. Their funds cover a wide range of sectors, including fintech, genomics, and more recent crypto assets. There we go. Adoption is real, motherfuckers. Adoption is real. In collaboration, with 21 shares. And 21 shares, specializing in cryptocurrency exchange traded products, ETPs, 21 shares manages around 1.7 in AUM, assets under management. They partner with ARK Invest to offer crypto ETFs like the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF to expand digital assets accessibility for investors. While they do this, these two, they are using fucking Link, guys. That's just massive. Now, there's a lot more bullishness going on. And you know what's a funny thing? Nobody is talking about it. A lot of people are so focused on the elections, which kind of makes sense the past week or two, 3, and the next coming week to be or two. A lot of people will still be focused on elections and will let go of a lot of bullish fundamentals and will only catch up later. So I'm here obviously to keep you guys up to date. Now here's the thing, guys. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not an editor. I'm not an influencer. I'm not nothing of that. I'm none of that shit. My content is not edited. It's straight normal. It's all freestyle. As soon as I get an idea, I just boom, make a video. Simple as that. I never ask to like or subscribe, even though it would be amazing if you do. So I'm just trying to keep it real with my content, guys. That's the main thing for me. I want to try to keep it real. No edits, no bullshit, no fancy shit. Maybe only an intro video like in this video, but for the rest, I don't really care. I just want to provide value to you guys because you guys deserve the best for the last fucking cycle. Now, let's continue because guys, there's so much bullish news going on. Let's start. Before I get into technical analysis about these tokens, yeah, you can already see I'm gonna talk about Ripple, I'm gonna talk about Link, but we'll also talk about 2 other cryptocurrencies. So, ready? Let's get into it. Guys, 21 shares, Core XRP Trust files for an XRP ETF. Who would have thought? Well, it was kind of in hindsight, I would say, but quote unquote, who would have thought that this would come? This could actually kick in some movement in XRP in the upcoming bull market. And this might be actually bullish. This could make, this could push XRP, if approved, back to $3 or perhaps even $5, $7. Do I think it will hit the 2 digits? I don't know. It could be, but as for now, guys, XRP has just been forming the same pattern like it did in the past. So let's see. Once it explodes, it explodes. It will be pretty fun. Now, guys, this is extremely bullish once again. This is an AUM filing for an XRP ETF. Guys, we already saw with Bitcoin what happened. There are quote unquote behind the back Ethereum ETFs going on. And now they are publicly announcing, while everybody is focused on the elections, that this is happening. So this will likely be approved in the near future or in the next coming months. I don't fucking know. But a lot of people let go of this because of the elections, and that's the thing. They like to move under the radar. They like to distract you from what's going on, which is bullish news. They like to keep you bearish. They like to make you afraid. They like to kick fear in you with the bullshit of the war. If Kamala will win, if Trump will win, whatever the fuck. Left wing, right wing, again, same motherfucking bird. Nobody gives a fuck. However, we do give a fuck about this. So do not let go of this information because it's super, super interesting and super important. Now, there's another one that has been filing for an ETF. Not an XRP ETF, not an Ethereum ETF, but guess what? Solana ETF. So first of all, what is Canary Capital? Canary Capital, the investment firm specific AUM, isn't as readily available in public sources, as it tend to focus on early stage and venture capital funding in various tech and biotech sectors rather than larger public funds with AUM disclosures. They manage several hundreds of millions, though the detailed figures are often private. So guys, a behind the scene AUM that is filing for a Solana ETF, and yet people do not realize this. I didn't see this pass somewhere at all. I've scrolled on Twitter and I saw maybe like 5-6 people place this. I googled a little bit. I found quite amount of articles though, but for the rest, nobody is talking about this. Guys, this is freaking fucking bullish. And this will make sense with the things that I'm about to say in terms of fucking price action. This all makes a lot of sense right now. However, note, this is a theory. This is not proven. This is just a theory that I have, but it quote unquote makes sense. Of course, this is not financial advice either. Make sure to rationalize these thoughts by yourself and to think if this makes sense or not. Anyway, Canary filing for Solana ETF again, guys. Bitcoin ETF already showed. The Ethereum ETF is coming. If it's not out already, do not remember now specifically. Whatever, doesn't matter. XRP ETFs are being filed and more tokens will come. And guess what is my next? NYCE ARCA seeks SEC approval to list Grayscale's diverse crypto ETF. Guys, This is big fucking news. Why? Because it's not going about Link or whatever. This is about altcoins. Look, this fund provides targeted exposure to AI-driven blockchain projects featuring altcoins like Near Protocol, BitTensor DAO, Render RNDR, and Filecoin FIL. Guys, not many people will see this fucking video because guess what? I'm not an influencer. I don't know how to market my video. I don't know how to gain thousands and thousands of subscribers and thousands of views. I just know how to keep it real. And this is real stuff. This is real information. This is real bullishness, guys. This is extremely fucking bullish. Whew. A beautiful time is coming, guys. A beautiful time is coming because you know what this means? Grayscale, diverse crypto ETF, meaning that Grayscale is very likely, if I read in between the lines of this, is very likely accumulating Near, DAO, RNDR, and FIL. They are very, very fucking likely accumulating these coins, guys. Now, funny enough, I hold some of these coins. I won't say which, but I mean, it's not a lot of rocket science. There are only 4. So there you go. But yeah, this is amazing news, guys. In my opinion, this is very great news. And do not only pay attention to these tokens here, but in general, AI-driven blockchain projects featuring altcoins like, reading in between the lines, AI-driven projects featuring altcoins like, meaning that there are probably more coins or tokens that they are holding. There are probably a lot more AI tokens that they are interested in and are holding, but so far I have no founds about it. But if I do find out, guess what, motherfucker? I'll let you know. I got you, bro. Cryptomindd got you. I got you, bro. Now, before I get into the technical analysis, I want to get into something interesting as well as this. First State Pension Fund buys Ethereum ETF. State of Michigan files 13F discloses new Ethereum ETF holdings, becomes a top 5 holder of Ethereum and Ethereum E. So, guys, again, I think this kind of speaks for itself, no? Boom. This is historical news, bro. Bro, this is amazing news. And guess what? A lot of people are again not talking about this at all. They are too busy with the fucking elections. Which side will win, Trump or Kamala? Doesn't fucking matter, bro. It really doesn't fucking matter. The markets are shit anyway. The markets will crash eventually if it's Trump or Kamala. It doesn't really fucking matter. Everything is going to shit sooner or late. If it's not in the next coming 5 years, it's in the next coming 10 years to be for sure. Because things do look horrible. And again, guys, this is the last cycle that you can have that will be major. Now, why is all this news so good? And why does all this news... And let me rephrase. As this news is so bullish, why are the charts not going up? Why is the price remaining low? Well, Jimmy boy, there's a simple reason for that. And again, this is a theory. I'm not sure if this is true, but it kind of makes a lot of fucking sense. So as these AUMs like to allocate themselves, meaning they like to position themselves quite well, they like to keep prices low as well. They are not stupid. They know how to keep prices low without us quote unquote detecting. And we can kind of see what's going on now with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Link, XRP. We can kind of start to figure out that price is being kept low for a reason. I mean, I think if it was up to the market itself, Bitcoin would have already exploded. But we now have AUMs entering the game, which changes the whole game in general. And I do think that these people are keeping the prices low, which is advantageous for us. However, we do not have an endless capital like they have, quote unquote. They can keep on buying for a very long time. I promise you, they can buy more Bitcoin a day that you can do in your entire life. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. But overall, guys, it kind of makes a lot of fucking sense why the prices are low, because they are just accumulating. So to repeat, 21 Shares is filing in partnership with ARK Invest, of course, is filing for an XRP ETF. XRP has been in the same range since 2017, which is now, in terms of days, 2,730 days, which is just in fucking insane, guys. It's just in fucking insane. That's 7 years of same price action. However, in historical perspective, and this is old news, guys, this is not rocket science. A lot of people already saw this. I've already talked about this, like, probably when XRP was here and here. A lot of people already discussed this pattern, but historically it looks like each other. And the thing in crypto is, no, sorry, not in crypto, but in general, in the financial markets, history often repeats. It's not in the exact same jacket, but often rhymes very well. And what is happening now, or is potentially happening with XRP, as 21 Shares and ARK Invest are filing for an ETF, is that they are just loading up. They are just stacking up. While we only know the news right now, they might already even be busy from here. They might have already been busy for a little while now, accumulating XRP under the radar, keeping the prices very, very, very stable. For example, guys, look at Fidelity. Fidelity in 2015 already started mining Bitcoin. And yet we only know or find out now, which is just fucking insane. But yeah, some people will just never realize how bullish this news could be. Now, I don't say XRP will explode. At this point, it's a stable coin for me, but in perspective, if the theory that I'm saying is true, XRP could explode when they are finished allocating themselves, and perhaps could repeat the pattern of 2017, where XRP was the last one to explode before the market started to crash. And perhaps this could happen again, and we could see XRP go to a $7 to $5 region because of this bullish news. Now, the thing with Link, it's a little bit the same. Link as well has been in the same accumulation phase for quite a while. So we've been accumulating for a very, very long time here. We're 100% sure ARK Invest started to accumulate here like maniacs, 100%, because the price kept this been too low and too long the same for, well, that sentence didn't make any sense. My apologies. Price been the same for too long, eventually started to break out, is now accumulating again for a little while, and I do think that they might be adding to their position slowly on Link. I'm not sure about that, but it definitely could be. It definitely could be. It kind of makes sense. Now, Solana, the same thing. Oh, actually, I had a chart here. It doesn't really matter. If we look at Solana, guys, it's quite interesting that we can see Solana as well being ranging for over, what? Since when are we ranging? For over 250 days, which is such a long time, guys. Such a long time, almost a year. So we're almost ranging for now, what, 8 months, 9 months or something like that, which is quite a while. But now we kind of know why. Canary Capital is filing for a Solana ETF, which means that they have been accumulating Solana for quite a while as well, which most likely has been here. They started to accumulate Solana for a very long time. And if they were smart enough, if they were just smart enough, who God fucking knows? But they started to buy Solana here at the bottom as well. What kind of surprised me, kind of will not surprise me though. However, here for sure they started to accumulate more, or adding to their positions more. Eventually this will explode as well, and things will go fairly well for Solana. This is very fucking bullish news, guys. Now, what will make me bullish on Solana is a break above this zone right here. It's very simple. Break above the zone, flip this into support, head to all-time high, break all-time high, flip it into support, then bullish price discovery could come. What won't make me bullish on Solana is only if we break below this zone right here. As long as we keep on ranging here, there's nothing much really going on besides accumulation from AUMs perhaps. But as soon as we break under this zone right here, reject it, we could start to head lower, and this would also, this would also mean that Bitcoin is going bearish. Now for XRP, what will we need? Obviously you would like to know is first of all a break above this zone right here. Most crucial of all is a break above this zone. Flip it into support, obviously head higher towards this major resistance zone here of what, around $1, $1.50, something like this. If I zoom in a little bit to make it more proper, there we go. This major resistance zone right here that last time we rejected. If we can break above that, guys, it's go time. It's fucking go time for XRP. XRP will likely hit all-time high and break it, and it's fucking go time for it. Now, as long as we reject here, don't be surprised that XRP just keeps on consolidating. It just could keep on going for a little longer. God fucking knows. That's a surprising thing about XRP. Now, we discussed Link. We did actually for Link. What won't make me bullish on Link as well, very logically, guys, as prices are low and been ranging for a while, is that we need a break out of this fucking range. We need Link to break above this zone, turn this zone into support, and we go higher. However, as Bitcoin might be going a little bit bearish, we don't fucking know with this election shit being here. We don't fucking know what the fuck will happen. Sorry, Link, USD, there we go. But if we look at Link, guys, if Bitcoin goes bearish, yeah, we could lose support here. We head lower. Guess what? Guess fucking what, motherfuckers? These people, these AUMs will keep on accumulating. They are not dumb. They know what a low price is. And if they can let prices go lower, or the market gives them that opportunity, guess what? They're gonna buy it. If you don't buy it, guess what? They will fucking buy it. Because they have enough money. They don't care. They will fucking buy it for you. They will thank you. They will literally say thank you for giving us the opportunity to buy more and leaving more tokens for us instead of you. Now, let's quickly go to Ethereum, guys. This is, well, very, very, very bullish news. And if we look at Ethereum, Ethereum remains within the same zone as well now already for quite a while, as well since August. This just might mean that they are accumulating Ethereum, guys. Logically seen, Ethereum had a very good run up, which I'm very sure AUMs used in their advantage, 100% sure. This looks very well orchestrated as well, very, very clean ascending triangle pattern, very basic pattern as well. Makes a lot of sense that they might be involved in this formation of the pattern and accumulated here as well. However, as prices started to dump, they became interested for sure again. I'm sure besides this, there are not a lot of Ethereum ETF fundamentals going on, which means that it's still hidden under the radar, which means that they are still 100% sure accumulating Ethereum behind our backs, quote unquote, behind our backs, and they are filling their own backs up. And once price explodes, they will come out saying, oh, we've been accumulating Ethereum, or we're filing for an Ethereum ETF, blah, 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 blah. This is while Ethereum is already nearing all-time high or perhaps starting to break it. Then FOMO will start to enter the market, euphoria will come, and people will start to become exit liquidity. Again, guys, these companies, these AUMs are not dumb. They are billion to trillion dollar companies. These people are not fucking dumb. They know how to play the game. And again, we prefer to look at big players, which again here, proof 1, proof 2, proof 3, proof 4. We prefer to look at the big players, seeing what they are interested in, because they might know something that we don't. Alright guys, hope this video was informative. If it was, please leave a like. For once, I'm gonna ask it, just do it. I'm not an influencer, I just try to provide real value. I'm freestyling. As you can probably clearly hear in my voice as I misspeak a lot, but I'm just freestyling it, guys. As soon as I find information, I'll try to make a video, try to make a post about it. I try to keep it up to date for you guys. That's my main concern. try to keep it up to date. For the rest, I do not really care about something. All right, guys, see you in the next video.